Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I give a quick workflow improvement tip. So I have two files here in which I compare the mesh. And I have results from two files. Now one way to compare the results from these two simulation runs is to export and then maybe use Python or some other programming language or even Excel to compare the results. But then you could quickly compare the results by, so for example, I have this 1D results. Say I want to compare the frequency of these two simulation runs. So I have this and this. I could just easily copy from this one. So I right click and copy. So I copy this and I go over to this and I go to 1D result and then I can paste. So I could also paste with prefix and suffix, or I could just paste it ordinarily and then it only pastes the result as it is, the result name. So I would paste with prefix and suffix. Then here I could enter, let's say, combined. So this is a prefix. I could also put it as a postfix. So instead I want to put it as postfix. So okay. So now I have the result from this simulation run in this. Now I want to compare it with this. So I go ahead and copy this also and then right click and then paste with prefix, so separate. Okay, so now I have the two results. So I could click control and then click. So I've selected the two results. Now I could compare them together in one file and see the differences. Could also log this. Okay, we don't really see much because it's not very different. So yes, that's it. You could look at 9.6682, 9.6691. Another thing you could do is you could also create a new tree folder. So let's say I wanted to call this QX external compare. Could also create this and then I could copy, so the Q factor external, let's say that's what I want to compare, then I could copy and then inside your 1D result, inside the newly created folder, I go and then I paste with prefix. So this is separate. Hope I spelled that correctly. Okay, and then I go to my other simulation run and copy, and then I also paste here, paste with postfix combined. Yes, so I could just click on the folder and then I see the difference between the external quality factors calculated for the different modes. So that was it. That's a neat trick to compare results from two simulations without exporting them to a text file or maybe some other format, a CSV file, and comparing. Yeah, so that was it for this video.